Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. So today I will talk about few indices, which is very useful for our studies, especially the land use land planning or whatever we are doing for if we are creating any development plan, right? And to understand the climate change impact. So that's why these are very important things. So there are mainly there are many, but I will talk about initially NDVI, what normalized difference vegetation index, and another one is NDWI, normalized difference water index. So why NDVI is important? We all know about it. We can this is useful for mainly the agricultural planning or monitoring, right? What are the crop health, how it is going on, and detect the stress and plan. You can accordingly plan for irrigation, means how to means how to plan, or whether it is required more canal system or more dams or whatever, right? And how to manage, you need more rainwater harvesting system, like that. So another one is forestry track deforestation, means only the vegetation health. Basically it is all over vegetation health to understand that, right? The climate studies, I told you that assess vegetation response to climate change. Basically, nowadays a very common word is happening, that's climate risk, right? So this is one of the factor which we need to understand when we are estimating the risk, right? Similarly for NDWI, because right now this video is mainly focused on the NDVI. In next video, I will come to the normalized difference water index, right? So why NDWI is for water resources management, right? To identify lakes, reservoirs, flood monitoring, drought assessment, wetland mapping, right? And of course, irrigation. So today I will talk about this normalized difference vegetation index. So this one is the formula NDWI equal to NIR minus red band divided by NIR plus red band. So what is measure? NDVI measure vegetation greennesses, which is a proxy for plant health and density. We all know that. And our values range will be minus 1 to basically minus 1 to plus 1. So but it is mainly the minus 1 to 0 is water, snow, cloud, or barren land. If it is minus 0.1 to 0.3, there are different, categories. So every paper has given some here and there. So, but here my motive is to how to calculate these, how to estimate this NDVI using Google Earth Engine, so that you can quickly do your analysis. So this NDWI I will discuss in next video. Already given this one. So first thing is that how we will go here is I have already done. I will copy paste somewhere. So first we will create a new file under the this LULC, right? Here in this LUC one we have NDVI, right? So this one will be my file. I will just click here. So I'm using it for, actually, I'm doing some work. That's why I'm writing a paper. So that's why I'm using my whatever my catchment area. So I already imported that save file of my catchment area here, and you can use your file, right? Whatever you have, city boundary or village boundary or state boundary, district boundary. So in the assets, we can create, we can add, we can upload save file also, right? This save file. If you have save file of any area, then you need this dot ssp dot SHF. Like if you click here, then you can put your asset name. Like I have written here Hinden Catchment. You see the left side. You can put your name, means whatever you want, and from here you can select your files, right? So wherever you have files, you can upload it, and it will take some time, and then it will come like this. So here I have already uploaded, so I'm just clicking here, right? So it will open. So you can see you have this code also here, right? So you just click import, right? So we have, I can change this name. I can say save file, just to avoid the confusion. So what next? So this will be our so how to this will be our catchment area, right? So since I have already copied here, so that otherwise sometime it will take time for. So just I'm clicking. You can copy paste here. So I have this. I have created one variable s2, or you can say whatever image, right? Say image. You can say image, or whatever s2 is fine. So this one I'm taking this Copernicus s2. So if I copy this here, and you see the click here. So you can see I have taken the code from here, right? This is just copy paste. So here you can see S2 harmonize, because earlier it was S2, now it is superseded by S2 harmonize. But since I am doing some work from the means from the beginning, I'm using the copper near S2, so that's why I'm taking that. You can see, if you see the bands, so we have B4 is our red band, and V8 is our NI, near infrared. Because I showed you here that the formula of this one is NIR minus R divided by NIR plus red. So that's why we are taking this, right? So we have image collection, this one, and filter bound is save file. This save file means this our catchment area, and filter date is whatever I'm taking November. So you can take any month. So cloudy pixel percentage 10% cloudy will be fine, or median, because it will be series of images. So median means I'm taking the median. Then what is the now we will calculate the NDVI from here. So I will just yeah, calculate NDVI, because NIR is our eighth band, red is our B fourth band. So where this is NDVI is called, we will calculate like this, right? And we need to clip our because we need image for our study area. What is our study area? Our study area is this file. Then next, what is next? The next is that how to we need to show this map in our uh, here. We need to show the map here, right? So these are the in earlier videos I had showed these code. Once you do practice, then you will also understand what how to write these. So I will share link of my earlier videos related to Google Earth Engine, so that it will be easy for you. So now you can run here, right? If you run, then you can see our this map. Right? Just yeah, what is coming. So this is my catchment area map, right? So then what next? Now we have to export this map to uh, into my Google Drive. So I have written this one. You have already, in my earlier videos also the same code I have used, right? So this is, yeah, and you can run it, right? Once you run, then it will come at the task. So since I have already done this, and downloaded this, if you want, you can run, you can click the run, then it will automatically download in your Google Drive. So it was in my Google Drive. So I have downloaded, because it takes some time. Earlier it took 9 minutes. So you just copy paste this and write this code, and then download. So I have already downloaded, and then I can show you here. Uh, okay, you can see. So this will be my my NDVI. So you can see my range is minus 4 to 0.36. So I showed you that if it is -1 to 0, it means it shows water, snow, cloud, or barren land, right? If 1 to 1 or 0.1 to 0.3, then it is sparse vegetation. So you can see here wherever is the this this patches, it should be you can see you click anywhere here, so it means it's a 0.26. 0.26 means it is sparse vegetation, right? All this area is vegetation. If you click at those dark areas, then it will be 0.03, means it's a then you can see it's a cloud or barren land like this, because since it is for the vegetation only, so it is, that's why it will show this urban areas also in this barren land type. Yes, right. And then you can accordingly, based on your requirement, you can change the color and everything. So you go to symbology and shadow color, and you can write this way also, right? So that easily you can identify the thing. So you can use this code for your study area. So I think this will be a quick. This is a quick video I wanted to show you. It's a very important, and you can use uh, in your project. And similarly, I hope you can create a map of this by layout. You can create the layout. You can so go here and create one, right? You can say NDVI, right? And then add map here, right? Yeah. So it will come here, and you can adjust. Sorry, you can adjust according to your requirement. And yes, mm, you can just here. You can add the legend, right? Yeah. So you have this legend. You can add north arrow. Where is north arrow? Yeah. You can add north arrow, right? Similarly, you can add scale bar here. Yes, right. So we have scale bar also. So accordingly, you can adjust your map layout to this, right? Yeah. So this one, if you click here, go to page properties, right? You can put. Sometimes it depends on the map. So here, this will is more practical than earlier one. You go to here and you can so go here and click here, right? And you can zoom in, right? Accordingly, you can adjust your map. Click here. So, oh, sorry. So you can just, oh, sorry. Yeah, right. Accordingly, you can change the scale. Yes. Yeah. You can put 10. Uh, so accordingly, you can adjust your map here, and then you can export into SVG. You do your practice here, right? So I will just show you how to write this map is, you can say, right? So here it is 9. So and you can adjust accordingly here, right? So you can change this one. and you adjust by according to this one. Go here and you can change the name and everything from here. You just remove from here. You can say NDVI 2024, or if you want to November 20 like this, and, and then accordingly you can check change the column also, right? You can symbols, you can increase the height, right? Like this. Yeah. You can change the height, you can put this. So accordingly, I don't know why it is not happening. So what happened here? Yeah, this happened, right? You can put 70. Yeah. So accordingly you can you can zoom and you can put title here, you put here like this, and NDVI uh, Indian catchment, right? Like this. So you can change the name, you can change the font of this and go here, click here, and you can change the uh, accordingly you can adjust this. Yeah. So you can do beautification by yourself, right? So then you can export it as a image. So wherever you want to put this, I will put at here somewhere. Where, yeah, over here on the data and the VI, right? Is save. You can make it more beautiful. I have just showed you how to do that. You have to do by yourself, right? So in the VI, if you click here, so it will come like this. Huh? So guys, this is done now. This is what how you can create the NDVI. So I have used Copernicus. Then you can use Landsat also. Landsat image. Then your the NIR band will be fifth band and red. No, yeah, and fourth band and this one red band will be the third band. So accordingly, you can do that for your study area. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and share it. Uh, Thank you.